Hello, in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can save money on your Facebook ads and on your Google ads, okay? Because the same strategy can help you save money a lot on the ads that you post on Facebook and on Google. Now, I'm going to first talk about Facebook, the recent post that I made and boosted. I made a mistake and I realized I think I have to share it with you guys. If you're trying to make an advert, okay? I was trying to do an advert about a training. And this training has actually, the advert has actually got me a lot of communication on WhatsApp. I made the communication to my WhatsApp, almost 400 and plus, okay? Out of the 400, 95 people will not have contacted me if I told them the price, okay? Understand I did it intentionally so that I can get a room for negotiation, but I realized actually this has costed me my money because almost like 95 people actually, if they knew like this course is going to cost this much, they will not have cost, they will not even have bothered maybe clicking even an ad. Okay, ended up with 5 people, and these 5 people actually 5% told them the price, and actually they are fine with it. Others were calling for maybe like installments, but the picture is if you don't communicate some crucial communication on your ads, I think you may lose out a lot on the people who are going to click, because some people actually think it's free, others think there's this and this. So it's important to kind of actually shout out how much you're going to charge for that training or whatever your product is, instead of actually wasting people, instead of you wasting time, people click on your ads, just realize actually your product is too expensive for them to buy. Understand most of the times you want like, okay, you have a room for negotiation. I think if you really want to do that, you can maybe save from, okay, from means like, the minimum that's that someone should think of, okay. But if running an advert without, sorry, running an advert without actually the pricing and some crucial aspects which someone has to consider may actually cost you a lot of money, okay, because at the end of the day, clicks on Google and Facebook, the clicks matters, okay. So if 1,000 people click, you get it, it's going to cost you money. At least you kind of avoid some people from clicking your ad when they see money, okay. So that is one of the ways you can try to save money on your ads, by showing the people how much your product costs or how much your service costs, instead of actually leaving it open for someone to first contact you. You can tell him how much your training or product is going to cost. Also, you can communicate the important tasks, important aspects, maybe location or even the days, because there's some people who may not really want to try anything which is more than, depending maybe on a tour or something. So it's important to communicate the important aspects in an advert to save money on your ads, okay? Instead of bringing everyone to inquire about the price, I think you can eliminate some of them and you focus on people who may really give you business, because the world is big. You are looking at 1 billion people, so you don't need actually every billion people. I believe you need thousands or hundreds. So putting a price will chase out with some people, but still you are having a big market that you can target, okay? My name is Brian. If you're interested in videos like this and also videos about making money, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.